Hello Oblivion players, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Oblivion Remastered game crashing. So if you're having that problem right now and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just click on escape on your keyboard, and then you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. And now you're just going to click on system right here, and then you're going to select this monitor symbol right here, and then we're just going to scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you get to the quality level right here. So as you can see, for me it's set to high right now, but you need to set it to either custom or low. And then this should actually fix this problem for you. I will have it set at custom now as you can see, then click on escape and then click on confirm. But basically either low or custom should be able to fix a lot of this problem that you're currently having, that your game is crashing. I had this problem before when I actually exited a sewer when I just started the game and it was crashing and it didn't let me get back to the game basically. But by doing this, you're going to actually be able to fix this problem. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.